Welcome to 2945 Bird Avenue Northeast. This is a 3-bed, 1.5 bath home. You walk in the front door, walk into a family room. Lots of natural daylight. To our left, we have our full bathroom. Three main floor bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1. All the bedrooms do have carpet, curtains, and closets. Bedroom 2. And bedroom 3. We have our dining area and our kitchen. Off the back there's the entrance to this 2-stall garage. Heading downstairs, have a semi-finished rec room with faux fireplace. This home does have 2 sliders to the huge backyard. Half bathroom. Off the back we have a workshop area. Again, a slider outside. More storage and laundry already in place, along with a shower stall. It does work. This is 2945 Bird Avenue Northeast. Thank you for watching this video tour from Access Property Management.